Video 1, camera inspection of a main sanitary sewer line in Alexandria. We have a house that had a replacement back in 1991. From this point in the yard all the way up to, I'm assuming at this time, was with the property line or the curb. That will be confirmed in video 2. But what we found by cameraing the sewer line from an inside vent stack is that this pipe, even though it was replaced and they connected to cast iron on this side, they failed to replace the Orangeburg that was coming from the house up to this point. That red flag is the exact transition from OB, which is Orangeburg, to CI, cast iron. And at this location, the pipe makes a 45-degree drop going down about 3 feet, and then makes a 45 flat, and then from there it's cast iron all the way to the PVC. But we still have a section of Orangeburg from this point all the way up to the front wall. That's where cast iron's coming out. Very close to the house. 7 feet deep at the house. Orangeburg. From there to there. It is still an acceptable shape, but at the transition from inside house cast iron to the outside small section of Orangeburg, there's a massive root intrusion. And I'll show you what I mean right now on the video inspection. So the camera is currently sitting at the bottom 45 in the cast iron, as you can see there. And what we see now is cast iron, which is orange, and PVC, which is white. And you can see in that shiny, shiny little half moon white is actually where the clean out ties into the main sewer line. So now we're going to start pulling back. Go ahead. That's the bottom 45. Top 45, it actually dropped about 2 feet. And here's transition, Orangeburg to cast iron. Now Orangeburg is black in color. It is a smoother pipe than cast iron, but it has a tendency to bubble up and collapse. We're about to come to that root intrusion right there. That's a root. Pull back slowly. All right. Hold on right there. This right here, that's a root intrusion. Right at the transition from cast iron, which is orange, to Orangeburg on the other side of that root intrusion. That's right at the foundation wall. That needs to be serviced on a frequent basis. If it's better to go ahead and replace it. The rest of that cast iron is actually is in pretty good shape, except for right at the bottom of this vent stack, it actually has a belly. So we're going to go ahead and continue. Camera. We're switching cameramen. Good. Okay. Look at the color of the cast iron. It is orange in color, in decent shape. Bottom of the pipe is located by the date and the footage, which is on the right-hand side of the screen. This camera is currently laying sideways.